Next here we have materials management. Um, and I just want to talk a little bit about the first point here. And it's about populating the appropriate parts that are going to be needed to complete preventative maintenance tasks, any tools that you need to complete those tasks. The reason that's important is because that's going to, again, help reduce your technician's travel time. So your tech may get scheduled a PM. They forget what parts they need. They drive out to the job site and realize they forgot something. So then they have to turn around and drive all the way back and go find what they need. And then they have to drive again to the job site. And, over time, all of those things add up. So if you're able to populate the part and tool requirements on your PM tasks, this allows a technician to say, okay, I'm completing this PM today. Here's all the parts I need. Here's all the tools I need. Let me grab these right now, check it off my list, and then I can put it in my van or my truck or walk it to the job site, and I can go ahead and complete this task. And I'm not going to have to spend, twice the time traveling back and forth from the parts room. Of course, it can still happen every now and again if maybe they find something wrong that wasn't initially in the work request. But by having this data, it's going to, or should at least, reduce the amount of time that's happening to you, allowing the techs to finish more jobs in the same amount of time, creating better labor efficiency, and hopefully eating away at that